Today we're going to look at how to take this image and jazz it up to this nice image by using Lightroom. Hi and welcome. My name is Marcus Leibrand. I am the owner of Kondor Photographic. Today we're going to have a look at editing that same image, but this time we're going to do it in Lightroom. So let's have a look at what Lightroom can do for us. And we can say, let's go to the auto function and see how that will work out for us. And that's not bad. Slight improvement on the blues and the greens and stuff. But let's see if we can do the thing ourselves as well. And we use the tone curve for this exercise. So we take the lights section and we pull that one to the right, so we brighten it up a bit. And I don't want to pull it all the way to the top yet. Let's just see if we do it slightly and see how nice it will look. A little bit back. Now that was quite easy, quite fast. As you can see, the areas on the histogram is also very similar to what we've got in the other editions. A little bit more. It's a little bit dark, I think, so let's just add a little bit of brightness. And yeah. How much change will that do for us? We'll also just pop the colors a little bit more, but let's keep that on the 0 line for a moment. So just by changing the lights and the darks in histogram, we can come fairly close to what we've accomplished with the version in Photoshop. Let's just reset this one again and let's see if we can do the same with the basic sliders. So as you can see, there's quite a couple of presets already done. So let's just make those all 0, and suddenly this image looks horrible. Absolutely horrible. So in this case, let's pull the exposure up. About 1.5. That looks fair. Pull the blacks. Let's see if when we change the contrast, how much it will change it for us. And suddenly that image looks way better. Okay, this looks quite nice. I like the result of this image. So what we've done here is just increase the exposure, increase the blacks, and just added some contrast to the image. And you can see the histogram looks much better than with the tone curve that we've done here and with the auto settings. So you can play around with these sliders as well. There's lots of ways to improve the image, various ways of doing it as well. So you've just seen 2 ways of doing it in Lightroom. Now that we've done all the edits and stuff that we want, final image that we wanted, we can now export the image. I don't save the image, I export it. In this case, I will export it to Lightroom training, and let's go down. We don't rename it, we don't sharpen it, don't put the watermark in it. No resizing, so we get what we get. Let's just go resize to that size, and prefer to resize it to a little bit smaller resolution than what the image is captured in. Because this is my final output that I'm using at the moment. So, all done. And that's it. Please click on the like button at the bottom, and also click on the K button where you can subscribe to my channel and stay informed of all future videos that I'm uploading.